everyone, welcome to Korea Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to share with you how to make cup noodles fried rice. Only 6 ingredients, quick yet delicious. Amazing thing about this recipe is the rice doesn't stick together. No clumps, perfectly separated grains. It's a restaurant quality, so you must try this out. I tried the original and the seafood flavor and I thought the original is just perfect. It's insane. You have to try out the original first, then the other flavor. Anyway, I hope you find this recipe helpful and I hope you can try it out.
Here are the ingredients. You need Nissin cup noodles. Trust me, original flavor is the best. Place the noodles in a heavy-duty plastic bag and crush them into fine pieces. You can easily crush them with a rolling pin. In a frying pan, put the crushed noodles, toppings, and water. Then put on medium. When the water is gone, add cooked rice, sesame oil, chopped scallions, and a beaten egg. Stir fry for a few minutes, separating the rice until dry. Set aside some shrimp and meat to use as garnish. Place the fried rice in a cup. Turn it upside down onto a plate to remove the rice. Garnish with shrimp and meat. And now it's done! You can easily make restaurant-like fried rice that doesn't stick together. I have more instant ramen recipes on my channel. I have a playlist. Please check it out. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.
食べてみます。こっち？
そっちはシーフードです。
なんか美味しい。どっちでも美味しい。美味しいです。お姉ちゃんはチアの合宿に行ってるからいません。ぜひ作ってみてください。チャンネル登録お願いします。グッドボタン押してね。バイバイ。100万人お願いします。バイバイ。